What we do here is go back.
Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I am basically taking the logic board from an iOS 5 iPhone 4 that is badly cracked on the front and the back. Surprisingly still works just fine. And I'm putting it in a donor phone that I got that is activation locked. Not necessarily locked per se, but it does have someone's iCloud information signed into it, so it can't be reset. And both of them are Verizon iPhone 4s, so they are the model without the SIM card. The model number is A1349. So I know this is kind of sped up, but I figure if you've seen these before, you know how they go. But basically, the only part that I'm swapping out is the logic board. The phones both have the same components and should take the logic board just fine. So as you can see here, I'm basically just taking all the screws out here, disconnecting everything, and finally pulling out the one from the donor phone. So next I tackle the actual phone that has the iOS 5 logic board in there, and as you can see, it's very badly cracked. It had a lot of dirt and dust in there. I did test the batteries on these both also using 3U tools. And I found out that the one that is activation locked actually had the better battery, which I was not surprised by. But I would have thought that the iOS 5 one may have had a better battery just because it was stuck on iOS 5. So I don't know, I just figured that maybe it would have the better battery. Alright, and here it is. The iOS 5 iPhone 4 and the iOS 7 iPhone 4 that's activation locked, they have switched places. So the iOS 5 iPhone 4 is in great condition, put a tempered glass screen protector on there, and the other one I will just keep just because. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.